Independence drives everything Smartkarma's global investment research network does. Sign in and see a live feed of differentiated insights tailored to your investment mandates, watch lists, and insight providers you follow. Zero in further through custom filters and see how ideas developed across insights over time through insight streams. Private messaging lets you give insight feedback or send follow-up questions directly to insight providers. You can further engage insight providers through premium services for bespoke research, calls, and meetings. We also engage insight providers this way to feed Smartkarma originals, ensuring that relevant, differentiated research is available around our network's area of interest. Live discussions show the pulse of the network, letting you view comments and additional information on specific topics, insights, and companies, as well as crowdsourced responses to key questions from across the network. Make sure you never miss insights or messages that are relevant to you by setting up notifications and alerts. Sign up now.